Alrighty guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $110 per day doing logo design, and it's so easy you can do it with one arm tied behind your back. So stick around, we're going to get started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. And as I told you, I'm going to show you how you can make little over $100 a day doing logo design, and it's so easy and free. Uh, a, a child can do it. Okay, so alright, so first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with Kevin-Lehner.com. And if this is your first time here in my videos or my channel and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel yet, well, reach down here below right now while you're thinking about it. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly on this channel here. Alright guys, and we're going to get started in today's video. This is going to involve one of our favorite websites, at least my favorite website to use is called Fiverr. Okay, so we're going to come right over here and get in on this here right now. We're going to come to Fiverr. Now once you get to Fiverr here in this on Fiverr here, what you're going to do is click on Become a Seller here. Okay, now you may already have an account here. It's free to sign up here. It's free to do everything that I'm going to show you today is free, and this should be able to be done anywhere in the world. Okay, alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to become a seller here because you want to set up a gig to do logo design. Okay, so it's easy enough. Click on Become a Seller, and then brings you over here. You click on this button right here, Become a Seller, and you can sign up either with your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can just do a local account here. Doesn't matter either way. And when you sign in, sign up and get signed up, it'll bring you over and it'll walk you through steps on how to create your gig. And then what you're going to do is create it in logo design. That's what we're going to do today. So I'm just going to come back here to the front page, and I'm going to type in here logo design. There's lots of businesses and lots of people that need a logo designed for whatever it is they're doing. Particularly businesses today, people that are starting new businesses either online or offline, they want a logo. They want a nice professional looking logo for their business. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can do this for them very, very easy. Now as I look up logo design, you can see there's all kinds of them here. And if you'll notice, some of the prices are starting here. Some of these are fairly high. Like here's 50, 50, 120, 150, 195, 100, 100, 35, 150, 30, 200 even. And you can see some of these logos are pretty plain looking, actually. I mean, like right here, this is fairly plain looking logo right here. So what you're going to do is create your gig. And I recommend when you do create your gig that you create it after someone who has, like for example this one, we'll use this top left one here because it's got 4.9 star rating, which is good, with over 1,000 plus reviews, which means this person's had a lot of business. They're starting theirs at 50. I recommend you start yours since you're just starting out. If you don't have anything like this already, which probably not, you're going to start out brand new. What you're going to do is you're going to start out, say, about 30 bucks, and that's a little bit low, but yet it's not too low or anything like that. Actually, you can start it out with whatever you want, but I'd recommend about $30. Okay, so what you want to do, we'll click on this one here. We'll use this one as an example. You're going to create what you'll tell them you'll do right here, like this person here, and you want to get some good logo pictures to put up on your gig as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you, this is so easy and so amazingly quick to do that you can create your own types of logos like this and put them up on your gig to show other people sort of what you can do. Okay, and then you're going to model your gig after these. You don't ever want to copy. I've told you guys this in the past. You don't want to copy someone else's gig. You just want to get your ideas for yours from someone else on their gig here. Alright, then it's going to tell about the gig that you'll do. and then a little bit about yourself, and so on and so forth. And put your own picture here and a little bit about yourself here. Tell about yourself and your response time and so on and so forth, and delivery times. Now, like I said, I recommend that you set your packages. You should have a basic, a standard, and a premium package, and you can of course each step up. I recommend you start at 30, and then the next, your standard package could be something like maybe $50, and then you'll add, maybe instead of 2 designs, you'll do, this one's doing 3 designs, so maybe you'll do 4 designs for $50, and then your premium package could be like at 100. Okay, and then offer, like this guy's doing 5 of them, you could maybe do six of them for 100. And then you can do logo transparency, high resolution, and so on and so forth down through here. And you set your packages up. Now, so then once you get that done, and you come down, what you really want to do though is find someone like this that has a lot of sales, a lot of high reviews. Like this guy had over 1,000 reviews, right? And you want to use their tags that they're using on their gig, so that the tags that they're using you use, because the tags will help rank your gig up higher in Fiverr as well as in the Google search engines. Okay, because all this stuff is ranked in Google as well. All right, now, so let's say that now you have your gig created in logo design. You have your basic package is starting out at $30, and $50 for your standard, and then $100 for your premium package. Okay, and here again, you can model after some of these other people if you need some help with that. Just look at what they're offering, and you can do these same types of things. Okay, now, so let's say, for example, with your gig created here now, let's say you get a customer that puts in an order for, they want to have let's say they're getting ready to open up a sports store, an offline sports store, and they want to have their own company logo to put on, like their t-shirts, coffee mugs, hats, well, just about anything. And they can even blow the thing up and make a sign out of it for the front of their store, on the outside of their store, with that logo. So they ask you to create a logo for them, and you're going to do it for, say, you'll do a premium, and you can do 2 different concepts like this guy's got right here. Well, right here you can do like 5 or 6 different concepts, so different views of it and different types, so that they have a choice on what they want to choose from. You give them more choices, and then so on and so forth. So let's say you just get one for $100. Okay, now, so you get an order. What they're going to do, and they'll give you the specifications. They're going to give you the name of the company that they want. They may even give you the type of font that they want for their company name, and they will give you colors, the types of colors that they want in the logo as well, right? So what you do is, when they give that to you, you're going to bring that information right over here to this website right here called Free Logo Design. You see it right here in the address bar. freelogodesign.org. See that? Now, right off the bat, the nice thing about this particular site is, if you'll notice right up here at the top, there is no sign up required. There's no signing in required for this site. You just simply come here and create a logo. So if you look down through here, you can see some of these logos that are created just as examples here. It says here, create a logo in seconds. Free Logo Design is a free logo maker for entrepreneurs, small businesses, freelancers, and organizations to create professional looking logos in minutes. Get a free logo for your website, business cards, or correspondence, and our user-friendly editor will help you create the perfect logo for your business, sports club, organization, etc. in just a few clicks. So, and what we can do is we'll come down here. They had a thing down here where it's easy enough to, I like this right here because it already puts it in. So let's say, for example, right here, we're gonna create an actual logo here. Okay. So let's say, for example, that your customer gave you the business name, and let's say it's called All Day Sports Store, something along that line. All Day Sports Store. So we type that in there, and we just click Create My Logo. You see, it brings us over here, and it already gives us some things to go on here. And you see right here, not all of them are that, it's Melia, and these are St. John's High School and restaurants here, but if you'll notice, some of them, it's already got it, All Day Sports Store. Look at that. That's a pretty cool design right there. Here's another one right here. Here's another one right here. Another one here. Here's one. And right there's one. That's not too bad looking. And so on and so forth. And then here's one used with like a shipping anchor here. I kind of like this one right here. This one this one gives it more of a sports feeling here. So we click on that, and what it does is it brings it over here into this editor. So let's say that the customer, your customer, wanted to have it in black and gold colors, those two colors. I mean, it could be 3 or 4 different colors or whatever, but let's just say black and gold. So we see that we have this logo that it gave us already, and you can see how easy it is to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this circle here. If you just put your mouse on any area, click on that, and it brings it over here, and you see this tool come out here to the right. So you see I clicked on that circle there, so what I'm going to do is click on that, and it opens this up right here, and then what we're going to do is simply click on the color, and then I'm going to make, what color did I say I'd make that? Gold, did I? Okay, so we'll just click on, this looks like pretty well gold color right here. We could use this palette to scroll down here and give us another, but I like that gold color right there. Alright, so I click on that. So then what I'm going to do is just click select. Right here you see this right above my head here, you see this button labeled select here. Click on that. And then what we're going to do is click on the star, and then it's right here, shape number 5, and what we're going to do is make that black. Alright? Okay. Bang, right there, just like that. And then click select. So there we have our gold and black star circle there. And then what we'll do is we'll do this right here, and we see that shape number might be number 2. It's going to be okay. Shape number 4 here, and it just click on it, and we're going to make that gold. Okay, click select. You see how easy this is, guys? And this other one over here, we're going to click on it. Shape number 2 up here. You see it's highlighted over here to the left. When I put my mouse on the shape, it's highlighted there on the logo. I click on that, and then we'll create that and make that gold as well. And then we're going to take our ribbon in the middle there and click on it and make that black, right? So okay, so see, now we've got our colors that the person wanted, and we'll make our words, we'll take the words and make that a little bit darker black color as well. See how that works? Actually, we'll make these words gold. The sports store will be in gold. So we got a good mixture of black and gold. And that's all there is to it. That's just an example. But you see, that's all there is to it. You see how easy that was to do that? And you could, if you wanted to add another shape, you can add more text, you can add another shape, add an icon to it too, or even change up the logo. And I mean, you can do all kinds of things, and you see how easy it was to do that. This is so simple, a child could do this. Now, the nice thing about this is, when you're done with it and you have it the way you like it, come up here to the upper right, you're going to click on Save. And when you click on Save, it should bring up here and flip us over here. Now, you'll notice that some of these they do charge for, but don't get freaked out about that, because we're not concerned about the money. What we're interested in is the free one right here. Okay? And here's the nice thing about this. It downloads it in a PNG file format. That means it's transparent. It's transparent, and it can be put on t-shirts, it can be put on hats, it can be put on, like I said, coffee mugs or glasses or whatever, because it's transparent. There's no background to it. It's just straight up what you see right there, the lettering and the logo picture. And that's the nice thing about that. So you download just simply download that for free right to your computer in a PNG file, and then all you do is you'll come back over to Fiverr and simply give that back to your customer, and you get paid $100. Now, if you chose the premium and you said you were going to give them 5 different concepts or 6 different concepts, then you would just simply go back and create another variation of maybe a different variation. Maybe make this circle black and the star gold, and so on and so forth. Change up your coloring and so on and so forth. You can maybe add a little bit more of another shape to it or something, or add an icon or some different text or something, shape or a different logo or something like that, or maybe add a different color, whatever. So you give your customer about 6 different variations of the logo, and then they can pick which one it is out of the 6 that they like. So when you do that, you give that back to your customer, and then they choose what they like. They like one of the 6 designs that you created, and right away you make $100, just like that. Just like that, you made $100. Now, I mentioned that you can make a little over $100. Well, let's say if you're on your basic package here, which you charge $30 for that. That's what we said, right? That you'd set it at $30. Well, if you had 4 orders for $30, where you're doing only 2 different designs to choose from for the $30 of their logo, and you've made about $110 in one day. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today on how you can make some pretty good money doing logo design. That's so easy. You could do it with your hand tied behind your back. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video if you got some value out of this. Don't forget to reach down there below and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos showing you how to make money and bring time and financial freedom into your life. Which, speaking of time and financial freedom, if you really want to get free, click the link down there that you see at the top of the video there, mentorwithkev.com, and get my free video training there, and see my #1 recommended business there involved in that, where I show you how much money, actually proof of how much money can be made in my #1 recommended business, which will really bring some full freedom and time freedom into your life, financial freedom, and so on and so forth. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.